Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today, we're going to review the LaserPecker 260 kb portable laser engraver. If you're interested in buying one, the link is available in the description below. The LaserPecker 2 laser engraver is a super fast engraving machine that uses dual lens galvanometer technology. With a maximum engraving speed of 600 mm/ and a frame/graphic preview speed of up to 3,750 mm/. This tool is perfect for quick and precise engraving tasks. One of the standout features of the LaserPecker engraving machine is its ability to produce finer details. The compressed spot size is as tiny as 0.05*0.05 mm, making it ideal for intricate engraving on various materials like wood, glass, painted metal, leather, and more. If you're looking for a portable laser engraver that delivers impressive speed and precision, the LaserPecker 2 is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to buy one for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.